Hey up everyone, I'm Tony Marie Hudson. I'm a pet portrait artist, and basically I'm doing this video just to ask people what kind of tutorials they'd like me to do. I have recently broached this in a few pet portrait groups and what have you on Facebook, asking if people thought that they'd like to see tutorials by me, and people were saying yeah definitely, do it. So basically it's like, what kind of tutorials would you most like to see? There's lots of different fur textures, colours, patterns, eyes, nose, other features, tongues. Obviously it'll partly bear in mind that it's going to sort of depend partly on what I've got on my drawing board as well, commission wise, because I tend to just work on one thing at a time, because I don't like taking things off at drawing board and putting something else on. So it's going to depend on what I'm doing in my current commission, and it's going to be mostly acrylic painting for now. I also do charcoal drawings, but it's going to be mostly the acrylic because I work in a realistic style, and I often get asked about how I get certain effects and textures and make it look realistic. So obviously I'll focus on the more popular requests. And even if I'm not going to be doing something like your request for a while, say if you want black fur and I ain't got any black dogs in my list for a while, then I will eventually get there, because I will eventually get a black dog at some point. So just let me know in comments if there's any specific that you'd like, and also just let me know because I ain't got an American accent or a standard English accent, as you've probably heard. I've got a Yorkshire accent, and I just want to make sure that people can sort of understand it. I don't need to put subtitles at the bottom of the video, and that I'll get off quickly because I've already tried recording several times, and as soon as I hit record, somebody turns up. But yeah, when I'm not recording, I'm not seeing anyone. But as soon as I try and do these, somebody comes. So I'll get myself off now before somebody else comes along. And just like I said, just leave your comment underneath and let me know. And also any tips and tricks on how to do the tutorials. I've got my camera that can record sound as well. So I'm probably just going to do it like that for the time being, and see how it goes. And then if things go well, I might start investing and get a bit more fancy and start doing voiceovers and that kind of thing. But like I said, for now I'll just do what I can, and hopefully it'll still be helpful to people. So anyway, I'll leave it at that now, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully.